Hey, what's up everyone? Today we'll be going over what Reddit NFTs are, which are also known as digital avatars. We'll discuss the different generations and collections, how some can possibly be claimed for free, the basics of the Reddit vault, how you can step-by-step purchase an avatar secondhand from Opensea, and how you can then attach it to your Reddit profile. This tutorial is meant to be as simple as possible to help everyone, regardless of your fluency in the crypto space or lack thereof. For this, we'll be utilizing Coinbase, the Metamask crypto wallet, the MATIC suite, and Opensea. I've provided links to each of these in the description, as well as some major avatar communities on Discord and on Reddit, so you can hop in on the ground level. Without further ado, let's get started. Okay, now I will show you the first step of how you can access your Reddit vault. So this will be where you send your NFT once it's purchased, or where if you can claim a free one, where it'll show up. So I'm going to be doing this through my mobile app because it's significantly easier, so I'll be sharing my screen throughout this process. So we're going to be using the official app. You're going to log in, and then hit in the upper right hand corner, you're going to click on your avatar. Once you've clicked your avatar, right now you'll see that I don't have the option for vault. Sometimes the vault would be on this menu after you click your avatar in the upper right, but for me it's not. So I'll show you how you can find it. So you're going to click the style avatar button, click you, and then under your stuff, tap that, and then you're going to see this little button up here right next to where it says your stuff. So you're going to click on that, and then it's going to say create your vault. So you're going to agree to the terms, agree and continue. I'm going to let it back up on Reddit, but that part's really up to you. You're going to set whatever password you want. Alright, now it'll pop up. You'll see it says your username. Under that, it'll say your Polygon wallet address, recovery phrase, all that. So now we're good. We have our vault. This is how we can send the NFT that we purchased to ourselves. Alright, awesome. I'll now be showing you guys how you can download Metamask and set it up so that you can purchase one of these NFTs on Opensea if you want before you link it to your profile. So I did a clean install of Google Chrome. Now I'll be going to the extensions. So it's just one way to do it. Extensions, and then go to the extension store, Chrome Web Store, and then you can either search it up. For me, it was recommended. Metamask, we're going to go add to Chrome, add extension, and we're going to wait for this process to finish. It'll show up, get you started. You can do all this. You will be creating a new wallet, so you'll go create wallet, you'll say your password. Alright, and now we'll be adding the Polygon network to Metamask. The reason this is necessary is because by default, Metamask is an Ethereum wallet, while these Reddit NFTs are on the Polygon blockchain. This is a little confusing because on OpenSea, most of them are priced in Ethereum. This is wrapped Ethereum on the Polygon network. So to do this, we need to actually add the Polygon network to this. So to do this, you're going to follow me. You can do this manually, but the way I'm going to do it's a little safer. So I'm going to look up Polygon scan. You're going to go to this, make sure you have the right URL, go down, and then click add Polygon network. And then you may need to click Metamask because it'll pop up and require confirmation. Then it'll ask if you want to switch network. I'm going to say yes, I do want to switch network. You'll notice I already have MATIC in my wallet. That's because I've done this process already. I was just setting up my Metamask again, but I will show you how you can get MATIC into that wallet if you don't have it already. Alright, now we'll move on to the next step, which is getting MATIC into our Metamask wallet. To do this, I'll be using Coinbase, but you can really use any exchange. You can use KuCoin, FTX, Binance, whatever, it doesn't matter. So once you're on your exchange, you're going to have to, of course, confirm your identity and everything if you're in the US. Then we're going to go to trade. You're going to scroll down. We're going to go to Polygon MATIC, and then you'll be buying whatever amount you want. Do this based on whichever one of those NFTs you want to buy. I think floor right now is like $20 to $30, but I'm actually not going to buy any of this right now because I already have it. But you're going to click buy, preview buy, and then once it is purchased, you will then go to assets. Now that we're at wallet, there will be a send option. So we're going to say send, and then it's going to say to. So then I'm going to go back over here. I'm going to copy to clipboard from my Metamask up here. If you just click at the top, you're going to enter that right there, and then it asks if you want to enter a message. I don't. Then you're going to go continue, and it's going to say network. This is extremely important. You need to click on this and then select the MATIC network. You'll notice right now it's not working on Coinbase, but on other exchanges it should work. So just before you send it, make sure you change the network to MATIC, because that's the entire point of what we're doing. Alright, and now we can proceed to our next step where we will be using the MATIC suite. We will be doing this to convert our MATIC into wrapped Ethereum so that we can actually purchase things on OpenSea. I'd like to note that some of the Reddit NFTs or some of the Reddit digital avatars are sold with MATIC, but the vast majority are listed with Ethereum. So we're going to go to the MATIC suite. You can just look this up in your browser. Once you're on this page, it will ask you if you want to connect and you're going to click connect Polygon wallet. It'll show up, and now you're going to select Metamask. I've already approved this on my wallet, but when you click this, it'll ask you to confirm, so it may pop up and it'll say confirm on here. You're going to have to click approve so that this can even see inside your wallet. Once you're here, we will be going to swap, and then up top you're going to want to put MATIC. That's what we just withdrew to our wallet. On the bottom you're going to put Ethereum. You do not need to select wrapped Ethereum. It's already on the MATIC blockchain, so normal Ethereum is wrapped Ethereum. So then you're going to convert most of it. Don't convert all. So right now I barely have any MATIC, so I'm not actually going to do it. But I would leave yourself like 10 cents worth of MATIC in your wallet so you can use that in the future for your gas fees. And then you're going to click swap. It'll ask you to sign this, and then you're just going to click confirm, and then in your wallet you will then have Ethereum. And now we're at the fun part where we can actually go to Opensea and pick our NFT. So you're going to want to go to opensea.io. As always, make sure that you have the right address. Then here you're going to click on MetaMask, and then you'll see mine's already approved, but it'll give you a pop-up and you're going to have to click approve so that it can access your wallet. And then I'm going to go here and I'm just going to search Reddit. Alright, and then under collections, you'll see right here as the blue check mark, make sure you get the right one. There are a lot of fake NFT projects out there, fake collections. Make sure you get the one that's verified, and then it'll show up here that there are a ton of collections. This is because these Reddit collections are made by a variety of different artists in partnership with Reddit, so there are like over 100 total. Not all of these are listed yet, but you'll see that there are a lot that say spooky season. This is the second generation of the NFTs. These were the ones that were just released somewhat recently. Then if you scroll down farther, you'll see the ones with this type of background. This is the first generation of the Reddit NFTs, and I was talking before about how you can get some free ones possibly if you've had a Reddit account. The ones you can get for free are the Drip Squad, All Friends, the Singularity, and the Meme Team. For this reason, if you click on one of these, you'll notice that there are a lot of owners. But for the other collections, the average amount of owners is about 1 to 2,000. So you'll see on this one, owners 1,000, and the other one was 1 million. So now that we're here, we're able to choose whichever one that we want. I am just going to go to see all items, and then I'm just doing this for an example. But if we do want to make sure that we have our ETH, if you click your wallet up here, it'll show you your balance and everything you have. So you'll see my ETH was successfully converted. It shows ETH on the Polygon blockchain, MATIC on the Polygon blockchain. And then here we're going to go, I'm just going to sort by price low to high. Alright, I'm actually just going to go for this one. It's cheap, and this is just for the demonstration. So we'll see this is $15. I'm going to go add to cart. You'll notice it pops up here, and it'll ask you for your payment method. We've just loaded this with our necessary Ethereum, so I'm simply going to hit complete purchase. It'll ask me to approve it. This is the old transaction, and this is me purchasing the NFT. So I'm going to hit confirm, and then in a moment it'll show me that this transaction is confirmed. So now I can click view purchase, and then it'll take me directly to my wallet and show me the NFTs that I own, so I can see it right here. Now we can go on to the next step, which will be withdrawing it to our Reddit profile so that we can verify that it is ours and set it as our PFP. In the finish line, so we will go back to our Reddit mobile app for the next step. We're going to go back to our vault as we did before, so I'm going to click Style Avatar, and then you're going to tap You, Your Stuff, then you're going to click that vault button right there, and then you're going to see your address right under your username. So you're going to click Copy, and you're going to need that. You're going to need to get that to your Opensea. So you can send it to yourself however you want, or just use the Opensea app. And now you should have somehow sent yourself your vault address that you just pulled from your Reddit vault. So you're going to be back on your Opensea page. You're going to see your NFT right here. And then you're going to click on the picture itself, so it takes you to your NFT page. If you click on the name, it'll take you to the collection. So don't do that. Just click on the picture itself, and then it'll take you to this page. And then you're going to see this transfer button right here. You're going to click transfer, and then that wallet you just copied, you're going to put it right here. And then it's going to show you that if it's sent to the wrong address, it can't be received. I know this is the right address, so it's now going to ask me to go to my wallet, and now I can confirm that I would like to send this. So now in just a few seconds, more like last time it took about 4 minutes, it'll show up in your Reddit vault, and then you can go to the step of verifying that it is yours. So we're going to head back over to the mobile app. Remember, we just sent it from our Opensea profile to the wallet we have as our vault. Then you're going to tap the upper right hand corner. We're going to go back to our vault again, so Style Avatar. wait for the process, then go to you, and under your stuff, you will see the NFT you just purchased. As you can see right here, I have my little unicorn thing. So I'm going to tap on that, I'm going to tap again, and then it's going to give me the option. You're going to see these little blue gems. That shows that it's an NFT, and then no one else other than you can equip those unless they have an NFT with those properties as well. So I'm going to click wear all, it's going to say wearing, and then if you see down here, there are only there's 7 parts of that, but it says I'm wearing 8 things. So I'm going to unequip the one thing that was not part of that NFT so that I'm all styled up only with the shit I own. And then I'm going to click confirm, and now it is confirmed as my NFT. I can go back and you'll notice in the upper right hand corner, I now have a blue gem around my name. I can click details, and then it'll pop up with my NFT. It's already my avatar. It'll still say make your avatar, but there we go. And now we are all done. You have now proven that your NFT is your Reddit profile picture, and our process is completed. Thank you everyone for watching. I hope this has been informative for you and helpful. Please let me know in the comments section below if you have any questions, and I'll try to help you out as best as I can. Thanks guys, see you next time.